hands are in our lap. And our inside voices are off. We're going to go ahead and get started with circle time. Let's start off by saying our Pledge of Allegiance. We're going to stand up. Right hand on our heart. Eyes are on the flag. And we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes for our side, and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge is easy, we are a team. At Woodbridge is easy, we'll reach our dreams. All right. And today is March 2nd. Let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song and figure out what day of the week it is. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Snap, snap. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Your turn. Today is our Dr. Seuss Day. It is Tuesday, March 2nd, 2021. So we're going to count this as our hat. So for our pattern, we have our Dr. Seuss hat and another Dr. Seuss hat. We won't be here tomorrow, which is the 3rd. We will be back here on the 4th. Tomorrow, if we were to have Dr. Seuss hat, let's try a different pattern. And add another Dr. Seuss hat. All right. Well, he said it was going to be sunny today, and it is. That was a great prediction. Yay! Let's go ahead and make our prediction. Up over your face. Rainy. Let's make a prediction for tomorrow. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? Windy. With some sun. All right. Go ahead and put that there. Oops. All right. Let's say our alphabet together. Are we ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, let's count to 20. Here we go. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, we're counting backwards. Are you ready to count backwards? Wiggle those fingers. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle your fingers. Hands in lap. Shake that head. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay. All right, let's count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! All right. Looking at some colors, my friends here. What color is my square? Square. What color is my my colors, my friends, here. What color is my chocolate? Brown. What color is anger?
Red.
What color is my pony? Pink. All right. All right. Our nursery rhyme this week is Mary, 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 quite contrary. How does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. All right. What number is this? 2. What shape is 2? What do I have 2 of? 2 triangles. What number is that? 6. Bless you. 10. What 2 numbers make up 10? 1 and a 0. What number? 4. This one? 7. Right here. 1. What number is this? 9. 3. 5. What letters have we done so far? What is this?
L.
What's this one?
U.
What's this one?
S.
F. C. O. E. Q. H. T. and I. We're working on the letter G. What letter? G. G says g, g, g. Like in gumball, gorilla, girl, and gum. All right. We're going to get our pieces out. Get ready to make our board. Making the letter G.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top.
Taking our pieces out. Just our pieces. Just our pieces, not the top, not the hat.
Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the
Back
top?
down, pieces at top.
Is this the top? Is this the top? Where do you start your letters at the top?
Reach up.
Way up at the top. This is the top. Reach out and touch the top. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? Yes, it's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top?
You got it, Mrs. Bell.
Thank you.
All right, we're making the letter To make the letter G, we need to start off with the magic.
J.
Put magic C on your mat.
Just the magic C.
Magic C on my mat. Am I picking up my little lines? No, I'm not. I only have magic C on my mat. I'm using my listening ears. All right, now we're going to grab a little line and put it at the bottom.
One little line. Good job.
One little line coming up. Grab a little line. Come up.
Just one. Good job. Good job.
Let's see who followed those directions. Do we have both little lines on our mat? No.
Just one.
Only one. Look at all my friends. Doing a great job. All right, let's grab that little line and put it across. The little one. What did we make in that magic C? We made a tiny T. Go ahead. Very nice. What letter did we make? G. The letter G is the magic C with a tiny T. There it is. Crisscross applesauce. All right, hands in lap. My turn. Your inside voices are off. Listening ears are on. My turn. Big curve. Little line up. Little line across. One more time. My turn. Hands are in your lap. Your listening ears are on. Your inside voices are off. My turn. Big curve. Little line up, little line across. What letter did I make? G. What letter? G. Let's make it together. Fingers at the
Top.
and we say big curve, little line up, little line across. Excellent. Let's do it one more time. One more time. Fingers at the top. One more time. Fingers at the top. And we say, big curve, little line up, little line across. What letter did we make? G. Excellent. All right. Go ahead and put your pieces into your pouch.